What is up, guys? It is Connor from CK EVs. Today we're here showing you how to save money and replace your cabin air filters all by yourself in less than 10 minutes. So we got these off of Tesla's website. They're 60 bucks for 2 cabin air filters. Instead, if you wanted to do it through Tesla, it's about $100. Saves you about 40 bucks. Not too bad. We'll show you what the old ones look like in a minute. All right, guys, to replace the cabin air filter, we'll want to come to the passenger seat here, take off your floor mat, and there's a panel right back here. You'll pop this off, and just up above here where my hand is, there's a little cover just blocking the air filters. From there are 2 air filters just in here. They are stacked on top of each other. These filters are very flexible, so you'll be able to just pull them out. So there's one, there's another one below it that lifts up, and then you can pull it out. Struggling on this one. And like I said, they're flexible, so don't mind pulling them apart. From there, you'll get your air filters. So once you get your new filters, you come back down, and they got a stack. So there's an arrow right here. That's where the air will come into the cabin. So you want to push it up into that hole. Ooh. And like I said, they're flexible, so you should be able to just push them in. Once the first one is in, it will drop down. Make sure that tab is pulled to the side so that you can get your other one in above it. And that'll just push right on top of that one. From there, both of your filters are in. Make sure the tabs are locked in. You'll get this piece again, and it'll just sit right on top of them, making sure those tabs are locked in. After that, all it is, get your side put back on and clipped into place. And just like that, you have saved yourself $20 and a trip from Tesla coming out to service your vehicle. Nice and easy, just like that. Here are the old filters. After 2 years of being used, not too bad overall, but nice and easy to be replaced and save some money. So that's all for the video, guys. Like and subscribe. Comment down below what you want to see us do next. Out.